Hey guys, welcome to the channel. As usual, it's Eric.
It's Caden. Where's Devin?
Where's our third navigator?
I don't know. Wait, I think I know. He's right here.
Me, Devin.
Alright guys, today we're going to do something a little bit more different. We've been hearing about this Paqui One Chip challenge that's been around the internet for quite some time, but we haven't had a chance to get our hands on it until today.
Yes.
So Devin, show them exactly what this Paqui One Chip challenge is. Oh, tell them a little bit about it.
It's like this spicy, very, very spicy chip made with Carolina Reaper. And it's spicy.
It's spicy, but it's only one chip. I mean, how spicy can it be?
But
it's one chip,
the
right?
Reaper is the hottest pepper in the world.
Because look at this. Look at this. Read this. You can pause the video. This is what we're gonna experience.
All right, so we have done a spicy challenge in the past. A couple months ago, we did some Korean spicy noodles. And
Yes.
I defeated it, but the boys may not have defeated it. But this is your second opportunity for redemption. And to get us prepared to defeat this, we're gonna warm up with some exercises. So, ready?
Yes.
Let's defeat this chip.
Let's go.
It's on.
Whoa, who's at the door, guys? Let's see. Hello.
I got peppers. Guys, we will now train our biceps to put the chip into our malamalas. Ready, Kaden?
Let's go. Let's do this.
Curl those muscles. Come on, guys. Curl those muscles. Come on, guys. Curl those biceps.
Last time, I got sunk down and I got defeated by the spicy ramen. I'm not letting that happen again. Time to train our legs.
Let's
Squat
go.
time, Kaden.
3, 2, 1, go. Okay, guys, so we're training precision now.
Strike the chip hard.
Let's go.
Okay.
Yeah.
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 One more.
Knock it down. Knock it down. Come on.
Time to run. Train our stamina to defeat the pain.
Let's go.
Get out of here. Now we're ready for the Paqui One.
We're ready. Fire. Hit.
Mine went further.
I trained the boys well to tackle on this one chip Paqui challenge.
Got
You
this.
guys ready? You guys feeling good?
Yeah, we're
Yes.
feeling good.
Let us show you what this Paqui One Chip challenge is all about. This is the
Guys.
packaging.
This is our coffin.
Yeah, it even is a shape. I
Yeah.
think it's supposed to.
Guys, the Reaper shows no mercy.
That's what it
Scary.
says. All right. So let's open up the packaging and see what's inside.
So, there's a paper. It says, the Paqui One Chip Challenge Champion. And on the back, it has a bunch of stuff right here,
Okay.
like this.
So it's saying this is a champion. So that means we're the challengers.
Yeah.
Alright.
And it has a coupon right here. Get another bag.
That's
Yeah.
the challenger.
Okay. So this is us right here.
No,
we're
that's
the
not
challenger.
us. That's
Look
not
at this.
us. We're gonna get wrecked.
Those are the people
Okay.
we're.
Do you dare go head to head with the Reapers?
No.
So here are the rules for the challenge. Okay. It says 1, eat the entire chip. So
Okay.
boys, we need to eat the entire chip. 2, wait as long as possible before drinking or eating anything. And then 3, post your reaction on social media, which we are definitely going to do.
And we have to put hashtag One Chip Challenge and mention Paquichips.
All
It
right.
says what to expect.
Yeah, what to expect.
So the
Let 'em
first
know.
round is a punch to the tongue.
Show them that.
Look. A punch to the tongue. This one. And then number 2, a fiery jab to the face.
Fire jab to the face.
And then impaired vision from tears. A low blow to the gut.
Yep.
Knockout.
So now we're ready for the one chip challenge. Let's
Yes.
open up the package. Come check this out.
But guys, did you know that Caden's actually broke?
Yeah, I was opening it off camera and look. It broke.
That's what he
freak?
gets for being curious and opening it.
Oh, mine broke too. Look at
I
this.
think
Oh my
it's-
gosh. I can
smells-
smell.
It smells like pepper, but
Oh.
times 1 million.
Okay.
Mine
so-
broke too.
Oh. Oh. Oh my gosh.
That's what
So
you're gonna feel.
the chip is only like a foot away from me, and I can already smell.
Oh,
The
But it
pungent-
has this hit of the spicy ramen.
All
okay, not
right.
gonna lie.
But it has another
It
smell.
kind of smells like a butt.
All right. You guys ready?
It smells like poo.
Yeah, let's do
We
this.
trained hard for this.
Yes.
Let's defeat this sucker.
Go.
Let's do this. 3, 2, 1.
Hold my hand. Hold my hand. Okay. So, I forgot to say, but one thing we're gonna do is we're gonna try to not drink anything for 5 minutes. So, you guys see the counter? All right. Let's hold our hands so we can prevent not
Ah.
having milk. Oh!
Ah!
What do you feel?
Ow! It like stings.
Oh, it's like burning my throat. Your face. Come on. Hey. Is your mouth as hot as that fireball basketball?
Maybe it's harder.
Way hotter? Devin, come on. Where are we at right now? Oh. We
It's
got.
only been like 5 seconds.
Oh, I got the hiccups. Devin, what is your react? Oh, I got the heat hiccups. I got the heat.
Only the side hurts.
Oh, I got the heat hiccups. Oh, guys, we're down 1 minute. Oh, I got the hiccups. Oh,
Right, the side.
oh my God. I got the hiccups. Devin is running laps. Look at him. Look at him. He's running laps. Oh. Devin, run this way.
Spicy.
Devin, run this way.
Uh-oh. I can't feel my tongue.
What?
I don't taste anything.
What?
Uh-oh. Guys.
I got the hiccups.
It hurts, but I can't feel anything. It feels like numb.
Bro.
Ow.
Yeah, I have to.
No, you're almost there. We're at 312, guys. Let's do some jumping jacks. Oh my God. Whoever created this challenge,
Curse you.
what's your mouth like, kid, Devin?
Where's the rules? 30 minutes.
We're 2:39.
Is it true? The rules?
It says, round 1, a spicy punch to the tongue. Oh. I feel like there are 10 punches to my tongue right now.
You need the cold air.
Devin is running in
What
circles.
about the punch?
My phase 1 was the spice hiccups. Right now, my tongue,
Uh-oh. Coronavirus.
my tongue is just salivating.
You know that feeling when there's like mucus in your throat? Yeah.
Devin, how are you feeling?
Bad.
He can barely talk. Kaden, I just keep going like this. Guys,
How many more minutes already?
oh, guys. We're down to 127. Check out Devin.
He's
He's
gone.
not even thinking straight. He's going circles with his bike.
I think it's better.
Devin,
I think it's a little better.
do you use the wind to help pull out your mouth?
Yeah, I'm gonna do that again. Yeah.
Hey, you guys. Come back. We're gonna.
Let me use the wind method.
No. Those two are using the wind method, but we're down to the final stretch. 1 more minute. Guys, the last minute, so we can drink our milk. Come here, guys. We're down to the last minute.
Guys, my nose is dripping.
Park.
I think my tongue broke.
Park. Guys, can you see this?
2 more seconds.
24 seconds.
I think
Devin,
my,
stay here.
Guys,
I think my
only
my
a few
heart-
more seconds. Let's go.
We're here down to the finale.
I mean, the
All
button
right.
helps a little.
Okay. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Happy New Year!
Oh my God. Where's the milk? Where's the milk, guys? Oh.
That's so much better. I don't even feel it anymore. Guys, I don't even feel it anymore. That was the wonderful thing of milk.
Oh. Oh my gosh.
That was the wonderful thing of milk.
Okay,
Nutrients.
guys. I think that was the spiciest thing I've ever had.
Yeah,
guys.
me too. That's like the spiciest thing
It
ever.
definitely was.
Like, Devin, what were you thinking when you first took that bite? Like, what went through your mind?
Jesus!
Help
That's
me.
spicy. That's what I thought.
I think the first was attack to the tongue. And if you guys rewind the clip, I was getting the hiccups.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
I didn't get the hiccups.
What happened to your tongue?
It went numb.
So Kaden's tongue went numb. Devin, how did you feel? Tell them.
It wasn't that bad, honestly. It's just weird because I felt it in my ear.
I know.
Oh, really? So
My
like,
ear.
your ear? So it went to attack different senses beyond just the tongue.
I'll probably rate the spiciness like
10 out of 10, Dad.
10 out of 10, man. This thing's gotta be the spiciest thing I've ever had. Yeah, and you're still drinking milk too.
a 10.
Was that the unopened one?
And like,
Give me the milk.
and then like, what was your strategy? You try to like bike ride so the wind can cool off your mouth?
My strategy was doing it.
Yeah, I'm still going like this.
I'm putting spit on top of it.
Oh my gosh. So, whoever's found this challenge, you guys are demonic. And maybe we're just seeking views, or maybe we are a little bit lunatic. But
Why would we even do this?
we decided to follow the trend and do this challenge. And we suffer
It's really
the
spicy.
ultimate price. But
Hey, at least we're not dripping boogers.
Yeah.
yeah, okay.
That'd be good.
At least we're able to maintain some sort of dignity and not have a death face.
And at least we're not crying.
At least we're not crying, but we're certainly in pain. But you guys must give us a big thumbs up on this video because we really went out of our ways to bring you this extreme content.
And
Really
also
Right.
subscribe.
Yes,
And
please
also,
subscribe.
Hit that notification bell so you get us to see us tortured again first.
All right. Well, hopefully you guys see us on our next video because
if we're not live, call
if we
911.
don't, you know what happened.
Call 911.
We fell victim to the one chip challenge. All right, guys. Hopefully we see you on the next video.
See ya.
Bye. And I guess I can understand why.